let's see what's inside today on the 30th of July 2023. We have Pietarinkatu 11 staircase speed here. Helsinki's Forskuusen ja siinä Pullanen ja Ylösvari.
Yeah.
Stigler is showing. One of the goats. Oh, traditional buttons.
Yeah.
Very nice. It was built by, upgraded by Shinlovi Kroneberg in 1996. And the number is 33523. Maybe it's still 3 rides here. Because it has these ones.
Yeah.
So we take 3 rides. It's
Yeah.
still very amazing. It wouldn't be expected. It should have been 2022. Yeah, they're planning to modernize our place, but
Yeah.
modernize probably, but
Yeah.
luckily still not yet. But the original Stigler buttons is very rare in Helsinki, so I found in Pietarinkatu and also in, I think, close to Koivupuisto.
Yeah.
2 of them.
Niissä teet paikkivaisi, että meidän teet passilla. Yeah. NPN 6.
Then it was upgraded 2 times.
Yeah.
In 1960s or 70s and in 1996.
Mm.
But they have their buttons are preserved still.
Yeah. No memory problem. Yes.
Let's check it.
Yeah.
It's without them. That's those big leveling.
Yeah.
Wait a minute, I'll sit down. Chill. It's a bit heavy. Strange.
Yeah.
Simple memory. Maybe in one direction.
Yeah.
Direction, but it's here. I don't know why it stopped another. And it has an indicator for the alarms.
Yeah.
The alarm bell is probably in the shaft.
Yeah.
That's the Kroneberg buttons, so they usually put the alarm bell in the shaft.
Yeah.
Like when C-Mac elevators.
That's